All right, this one back here is getting sold and for a sales prep, and more importantly, dig out some scratches. So, was attacked by a bird. Obviously there's swirls and stuff. It's kind of one of those, it's a truck type of thing, but we need to dig out some deeper stuff, make it look a little bit more presentable. I don't think I've ever seen this. The birds can see the reflection, and they actually went ham on the windows and stuff, so we'll see what we could do with the glass too. But mostly that, and then a full sales prep on it. I just got done doing like a decon wash, and I'll go over some things and throw some dressings and stuff on it and get ready for sale. Alright guys, been asked to do a few more basic type detail stuff. I'm about to do some wheels and the fender wells and stuff on a Ram. Laying out all my wheel stuff here. Figured I'd run through what I'm using for you guys. The tire prep currently is PNS undressed, I think is what they call it. PNS brake buster and the cheap foam cannon. I run that straight, no dilution. I run this diluted about 50%, I think. I don't know. I fill it up to around here and then put some water in it. And then this is just an iron remover. I'll run that on the wheels if it's needed for scrubbing in the wheels, for scrubbing in the fenders, for scrubbing the faces of the wheels, for scrubbing the tires. Turbo nozzle is a must for real bad fender wells, and for creases and crevices. I like these things here. Nothing special, nothing fancy. I tend to change things up quite a bit when it comes to products that I'm using, because I'm not a product whore, and I'll just buy stuff that's on sale because I know it works. Detailing's a lot more about the process than it is the actual products, in my opinion. Alrighty, wet sand, cut, polish complete. There is one real deep spot right there that I couldn't get. The nice thing about proper polishing is that although it might be a scratch that's visible, it's a shiny scratch, so it's far less visible. My fingerprint's actually the most visible part on there. All right, on to the rest of the detail. All right, this one here, all wrapped up. This one came in for sale prep. Major scratches on the door. As you can see, those are gone. Looks pretty good for the most part. Was not an extensive paint correction. It's just getting ready to get going so the customer can get a new vehicle. Looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. I think they'll be happy with it. That's a wrap.